Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a tour of some of the most amazing Airbnb stays, including shipping container homes, tiny houses, cozy cabins, and even tree houses. If you're looking for unique getaways or design inspiration, you're in the right place. Let's start with the shipping container homes. These modern designs are not only eco-friendly, but also surprisingly spacious. With sleek interiors, large windows, and creative layouts, these homes make the most out of every inch, perfect for anyone who loves a blend of industrial style and comfort. Next up, we have the tiny houses. These little gems pack a lot of character into small spaces. From clever storage solutions to multifunctional furniture, tiny homes are all about maximizing style and functionality. Plus, they're a great option for off-grid living or a cozy Airbnb retreat. Now, let's head to the AFrame Cabins. These charming getaways are all about simplicity and rustic vibes. With their triangle shape and warm wooden interiors, A-frames are perfect for those looking to escape to nature and relax in a cozy, peaceful atmosphere. And of course, we can't forget the tree houses. These aren't just for kids. Today's tree houses are luxurious and designed with comfort in mind. Imagine waking up high in the trees with breathtaking views all around you. It's like having your very own private retreat in the sky. These unique Airbnb stays truly offer something for everyone, whether you're into modern design, tiny living, rustic cabins, or treehouse adventures. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more.